ودي يا باشا.
ربنا يديمه. احنا لسه عليه.
المتميز، المعدة موجودة في البلد يكسب.
Eu não sabia que era ele, não.
Okay, so this is our 10-liter bead bazooka. It's going to work completely different than a traditional bead seeder. So instead of jamming that barrel in and trying to force air into the tire, we actually want to be at least 2 to 3 inches away at a 45-degree angle.
Okay. Boom.
It works the same way that ether does, where ether burns away that existing air to create the suction and lift the tire. That Y-shaped barrel and the trigger release is emptying that full capacity of the tank so quickly, it's creating that same suction effect to lift the tire.
Gotcha. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.